In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix Instagram upload problem. So the first way is you have to go into the settings, go to the apps, exactly like that. Wait a few seconds right here, scroll until you find Instagram, click on it, click on force stop, and then go to the storage, click on clear data and clear cache. Go back again, click on power usage details, click down here on force stop, and then go back again, click on this open by default option, click on open supported links in this app, choose always allow, go back to the settings, click on wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.